Guys, warm welcome on Jaman's MATLAB coding. In this clip, we're gonna talk about surface graph of two variable function. Any mathematical function of two variables generates a surface graph. There are two embedded functions in MATLAB. The first one is easy mesh and the second one is easy surf. Both functions have similar syntax. So the syntax is easy mesh or easy surf under first bracket, functional code under quote, comma, variable variation as 4 element row matrix. Let us focus on example 1. Suppose we have two-dimensional function fxy equals 2x plus 3y plus 5. We would like to graph this function over x minus 3 to 2 and y 0 to 4. In earlier clip we mentioned that there are two codes, scalar and vector. Here it is vector code, not the scalar one, and there is no dot star or dot division. So the functional code is 2 asterisk x plus 3 asterisk y plus 5. Now x interval as 2 element row matrix minus 3 2, y interval as 2 element row matrix 0 4. So both intervals as 4 element row matrix minus 3 2 0 4. First x, then y. Then go to MATLAB command prompt, enter from keyboard easy surf. Under first bracket, first enter the functional code, and that has to be placed under single inverted comma or quote, then comma, then interval description, and then press enter. After execution, MATLAB shows the figure on a new window which we call figure window. So this is the surface graph of the two-dimensional function fxy. The base plane spanned over xy, and vertical axis is the functional value of fxy. So functional description is also written on top of the graph. We know the related variable here xy whose power is 1. So supposed to be a plane, and that's what is shown on the figure. When identical statement is executed by easy mesh, we see the return figure as shown on the screen. The returns from previous one, I mean easy surf, and the one from easy mesh, how they're different? Well, they are different in the sense of texture of the surface. Roughly speaking, with easy surf, the surface is like covered by cloth, and with easy mesh the surface is covered by a net. Now we have example 2. Suppose f of uv equals sine u square plus v square divided by u square plus v square. Let us graph this two-dimensional function over u from minus 4 to 4, also v from minus 4 to 4. The functional vector code of the function is sine of u hat 2 plus v hat 2 divided by, under first bracket, u hat 2 plus v hat 2. Now u interval from minus 4 to 4 as 2 element row matrix, v interval also minus 4 to 4 as 2 element row matrix. Now go to MATLAB command prompt, from keyboard enter easy mesh, then functional description. Then the functional description must be under quote or single inverted comma, then comma, then interval description. Here I'd like to point out that if both interval variations are identical, no need to write both of them. Writing one is enough. After execution, you will find the return from MATLAB like the screen shown. The base of the function is uv plane, and the height or vertical one is fuv. Also functional description written on top of the figure. The function appears to be maximum at the center of the base, and amplitude of the function decreasing as the function moves away from the center in a wavy nature. Alright, folks, we would like to seize our session here. I hope to see you in the next clip. Bye for now.